Why does a nation's currency rise and fall? And why does one policy boost the jobs while another one slows them down? And why can a single trade deal change millions of lives?
The answers aren't just in numbers. They're in the stories those numbers tell. And Chandigarh University taught me how to read them.
From foreign exchange rates to global trade patterns, every spike and every dip tells a story about our economy, where it stands in the world.
Policies aren't just paperwork. They shape opportunities, markets, and futures.
At CU's MA Economics, we connect macroeconomic factors to real human impact.
Industrial experts, real-world data sets, and hands-on projects prepare us to engage with the nation's biggest challenges.
MA Economics at Chandigarh University. See the nation in graphs and understand it completely.